Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So, some of the things that are crucial in manufacturing are efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability. But using traditional paper based systems, well, there comes some, they're prone to errors, and let's face it, they're not great for the environment. And that's where paperless manufacturing systems can step in, because these digital solutions can transform manufacturing operations by streamlining processes, reducing waste, and boosting productivity. So, let's dive into why your factory needs to adopt a paperless manufacturing system and how you can implement that effectively. First, let's talk about assessing and planning. So you can start by looking at your current manufacturing processes and identifying within there where paper is heavily used. And some current areas are production orders, quality control documents, inventory management, and maintenance logs. So up next, you can define your objectives, because what is it you want to achieve with a paperless system? Is it reducing operational costs? Maybe it's improving data accuracy, enhancing real-time monitoring, or minimizing your environmental impact. Now, once you've got that figured out, you're ready to research and choose a paperless system that aligns with your goals and will work with your existing infrastructure. And by that, I mean make sure it supports integration with your current software and any machinery that you've got in your factory. So next, let's move on to digitizing your documentation, because you'll have a lot of existing paper documents, and if you can use document scanning and optical character recognition technology to convert all your existing paper documents into digital files, and then if you can organize those files in a centralized digital repository, you'll be in a great position to replace paper-based workflows with digital ones. You can then move on to using electronic forms, digital signatures, and automated data entry to really streamline your manufacturing processes. And then make sure you don't forget to train your employees on how to use these new digital tools. Then you can be storing your digital documents in the cloud to make sure that they're accessible from anywhere at any time. Cloud storage also offers enhanced security, including data encryption and often regular backups. So finally, let's talk about integrating and automating. You can ensure seamless integration between your paperless system and other critical systems like ERP and manufacturing execution systems, and any supply chain management software that you've got. Then if you utilize sensors and IoT devices to communicate, it will automate data collection on the shop floor. And by using your automated reporting tool, it can give you real-time insights into your production performance, quality metrics, and even your inventory levels. And then finally, if you continually monitor the performance of your paperless system, you can use data analytics to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and any areas where you can maybe improve. And then you can be regularly updating and refining your digital processes to make sure they remain aligned with your manufacturing and business goals. So adopting a paperless manufacturing system is no longer just an option. It's a necessity for factories aiming to stay competitive in today's industrial landscape. And by transitioning to digital processes, you can achieve significant improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability. So the journey to a paperless factory, it involves careful planning, digitizing your documentation, and then integrating these technologies to automate and optimize your operations. But if you do embrace the change today to unlock the full potential of your manufacturing capabilities, you'll be able to drive your factory towards a smarter, greener future. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.